Hello guys, welcome to this video, and right now I'm gonna help you on how you can install pip on Windows. So last time I helped you to install Python. So if you have not installed Python, you better check it out if your PC has it. So you can actually type Python and then version, and then if your CMD prompt you or shows you something like this, then Python is installed. So the next thing that you should need in order to run Python packages is to install it, and you can actually install it in a lot of ways, and you can use the curl method and get-pip.py. So pip is the installation package. Okay, it helps you to install Python packages a lot easier. So I need it, so I have to copy that and then go to my CMD and then um, paste it right here. Then it will download everything that you need. There we go. So I will put the link down in the description box so you can actually install your pip. So let's wait for a while until everything gets downloaded. So if I'm going to enlarge it, well, it depends on how fast your computer or your internet is and um, downloading everything. There we go. Um, it's done, and then the next thing you should do is to um, install it. Okay, you have downloaded it, and then we have to install it properly. Then you have to use the code python get pip.py. Okay, so we type it here again and paste it, copy and paste it. There it is. Let's wait for a while. There it is, it's done. And then the next step is, so once you've installed pip, you can test whether the installation has been successfully by typing the following. We copy it, and it should show something like this. Okay, and paste it here. There we go. Voila. Wonderful. We have installed pip. Alright. So then we can go ahead and install other packages through pip. Okay.